You should end this part with the man standing on the left leg and the lady standing on her right leg. Now take a step away from each other. Gentlemen, step backward with the right leg. Ladies, step backward with the left leg. Slide your hands down to this position. The lady's hands are on top of the man's palms. From that point, we're getting into the basket position, so gentlemen, take a step forward with the left leg, moving slightly diagonally to the left. At the same time, raise your left hand and lead it to the right and above the lady's head to rotate her counterclockwise and start to walk around her with natural everyday steps. Get to the point when you're almost facing the audience and standing on the left leg, then use the left hand to rotate the lady clockwise. The hand goes above her head. Then left hand goes down, right one goes up, take a tiny step with the right leg, getting close to the partner and lead the right hand above her head like this. At this point there is a tiny pause, you can lean toward each other in an embrace. Now the lady's perspective. Step backward with the left leg, connect your feet and shift your weight to the right leg. Now take a step forward with the left leg diagonally to the left, raising your right hand at the same time and rotating counterclockwise to rub in the arms. So, step with the left leg, smaller step with the right leg in a rotation. From that point, walk backward and around, taking 3 small steps. Left, right, left. Now rotate clockwise, taking 2 steps. And right, left, and up on the man's right side, facing the audience, standing on your left leg and lean toward the partner. Let's count this small part. Step away from each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.